What's up, it's Roy here. So today I have a matte finish tempered glass screen protector for my iPhone 14 Pro from the company TAC. They were kind enough to send this out for review. If you want to buy it after watching this video, follow my custom URL, which is buyatac.com/Roy Flores, and you will be able to get an instant savings at checkout, which is roughly equates to about 10% roughly. Now this is 25 bucks. But like I said, it's from the company TAC. I'm a big fan of their cases. They're really, really slim, thin cases, which I got it right here. But with this particular setup, you do get 2 of these tempered glass screen protectors, which is actually pretty nice considering. So what you get inside the packaging is an installation guide or, a little frame here, which I'm a big fan of. We do get some wet wipes and dry wipes, some dust absorbing stickers and alignment guides and all that fun stuff. And then of course we do get our tempered glass screen protector here. So like I said, it is a matte finish, but it is a full tempered glass screen protector. I did notice here that it looks like there is a little spot here maybe for the dynamic island, which interesting design choice. I'm curious to see what it looks like once it's on. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy slapped on. I'll do a quick install and then let's put on the standard 2.0 case and let's see how it looks with a case on it. So installation couldn't be any simpler. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the stuff to the side here that I don't need. Put my screen protector there. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over. Whenever I'm looking at it here, obviously I got a little bit of dust and stuff on here. So we want to get that cleaned up. So you're going to use your wet wipe here and wipe the screen down really nice. So we'll get that all cleaned up. I did have a tempered glass already on here, so I want to make sure I kind of get it all nice and clean from that previous install that I just took off before this video. So we got that all nice and wet, very moist wipe as well. It's very wet, as you can see here in the video. Hopefully you can see all the water beads and everything on the screen. So it does do a good job of getting it nice and wet and clean. And then next we're going to go ahead and do the dry wipe and wipe it down and get it all nice and dry. I'm going to open it up all the way and kind of do it like this. Okay, so now that I have this nice and dry, I'm going to use the dust absorbing sticker here. And all I'm going to do is work my way around the screen and just try to get the little bit of dust particles that were left behind. I'll actually pick it up and let's do that real quick. All right, so now that I got that all nice and clean, let's go ahead and grab the actual border here. So you do see that it says top and bottom here. So, or really it just says top and then it says 14 Pro down here. But you're just going to slap it on. And essentially that's going to give us a nice alignment where we install the tempered glass. So all I'm going to do is peel this back and reveal the matte finish screen protector. As you can see, that matte finish already. And all I'm going to do is literally put it on. Let it do its job. As you can see, the tempered glass kind of working its way through. So I'll let that go through. Pop this alignment tool off. And then I'm going to grab just a microfiber towel and just kind of work out the air bubbles that are left. Okay, and that's all she wrote. So as you can see there, guys, against the light there, it's not just super reflective like it would be typically against a harsh light. So it's a very matte finish, which looks pretty cool. I actually don't mind it at all, actually. Because when you look straight on at it, it's actually very bright, doesn't affect the quality of the screen at all. Where the dynamic island is, you can kind of see how it is cut out a little bit. It's not a cut out, but it's just a little bit more glossier than the rest of the screen. I have to imagine it's done for that reason, for Face ID and all that. So having a hazy screen protector over the camera, I have to imagine isn't good. So yeah, I imagine that's why. But looking at it though, it doesn't look bad. I mean, especially once the screen's on, you absolutely lose that and the darker pixels behind it. So not bad at all. Looking at it and just kind of touching it for the first time, it's very smooth. So it does have this really nice matte finish texture to it, but it is a very smooth experience. Definitely don't mind it at all. I think it feels very, very good. As far as the scrolling goes, it feels very smooth and very responsive as well. Touching the buttons, it seems like it's working pretty decent here, so not bad at all. So yeah, I mean, all in all, so far, it seems like it's a pretty dang nice screen protector, especially since you get 2 in the box. Now let's go ahead and slap on Tac's standard 2.0 case just to kind of see it on a phone case. So that way you can see that it is tempered glass friendly with their particular cases as well. So there is no issues. There's a nice separation between the actual screen protector and the phone case. So all in all, it's very nice looking and definitely does the job. It is 9H as far as the hardness goes. So it's a very nice thick tempered glass, but it's not super thick. It's not like, you know, sticking up above the actual case here. So all in all, guys, for 25 bucks less the percentage that you get off at checkout with my custom URL code, then I think this is a slam dunk when it comes to a different type of screen protector. If you're looking for a matte finish one that's not going to be really big with glares. Another thing with matte finish cases is, as far as fingerprints go, no issues at all with fingerprints. Like, I don't see my fingerprints anywhere on this screen protector, so that's awesome as well. So if you are someone that, you know, just gets annoyed with fingerprints, then this is for you. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, then definitely consider checking out some of these other videos here at the end with these cards. And I think it's well worth your time to spend some more time with me on my other videos. So there we go, guys. Appreciate the time. So be safe and God bless.